Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be looking at a must have extension for every instructor that lets you annotate, draw, text, type, and even take screenshots of any web pages, especially when you're presenting or teaching online. So, without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, here I am in my Chrome web store. And there are many other extensions, but I like to use the extension called Web Paint. You simply type in Web Paint and add the extension to your Chrome browser. Once you add it, you will see a paintbrush and colors right here on your browser. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So here I am on medium.com website. I like to read this almost once every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this paintbrush, and as you can see, the tools open up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a bright color so we can see, and I'm going to change the size. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a pen and I'm going to circle it right here. So there you go. And then I am going to change the color to actually bright red, and I'm going to draw a rectangle right here. Let's say the whole thing. And if I want to highlight this, I will go ahead and change the color to this blue. I like this blue. I'm going to go ahead and change the color, change the transparency, pick the fill-in paintbrush, and there you go. That's highlighted. You can actually draw different diagrams. This is almost a circle or an oval shape. You can draw lines. I'm going to change the color so you can see. Change it to green. Yeah, that's good. You can actually draw different shapes if you want. And then you can type in a text. I'm going to change the color to, let's say, black. So you can see here, I am typing in, change the transparency as well so you can see. You can actually change the transparency. So if I go ahead and draw one more on top of it, it becomes nice and dark. And once this is done, if you want to erase something, you can go ahead and erase it partially, or simply click on this paintbrush so everything is erased. So let me go ahead and do that again. I'm going to go ahead and simply highlight this one or draw a rectangle and fill this up with the lightest color with low transparency so it looks like it's highlighted. And once your annotations are done, you can actually go ahead and take a screenshot by pressing on this camera button. And there you go. There's a screenshot. You can actually download it and send it to your students, crop whatever you want. There are various ways that you can work with this one. And this extension not only works on your Chrome browser, but it also works in your Edge browser. So here I am in my Edge browser. You actually go to your extensions, download it, same procedure. Once it's downloaded, you see a paintbrush right here. You go to any website and the same thing follows. You draw it, highlight it, type whatever you, type whatever you want. You can actually fill it with different colors. There you go. I think I filled the wrong one. You can fill it with different colors. You can draw different shapes and then take a screenshot and send it to your students. I hope this feature helps. If it does, please make sure you like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. There could be some instructor that might use this feature, especially during this virtual teaching times. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to comment below. And always remember, happy teaching.